Living without savings can be challenging, but adopting frugal habits can help you manage your finances better and even start building a safety net. Here are some practical tips to get started. First, create a budget. How to do it? Track your income. Record all sources of income, including salary, side gigs, or any other revenue. Next, list expenses. Categorize your expenses into fixed, that is, rent, utilities, and variable, food or entertainment. Set spending limits. Allocate specific amounts for each category and track your set spending to ensure you stay within these limits. Adjust regularly. Review and adjust your budget monthly to reflect changes. There are a lot of benefits, such as provides a clear picture of your financial situation and also helps identify areas where you can cut back. Secondly, cut unnecessary expenses. How to do it? First, review your spending. Analyze past statements to see where your money is going. Second, prioritize need versus wants. Focus on essential expenses and eliminate or reduce discretionary spending. Next, make conscious choices. Avoid impulse purchases by waiting 24 hours before buying non-essential items. The benefits are frees up cash flow for savings or debt repayment, and also encourages more mindful spending habits. Thirdly, cook at home. How to do it? First, you have to plan meals. Create a weekly meal plan to reduce food waste and avoid last-minute dining out. Second, make a shopping list. Stick to a list when shopping to avoid buying unnecessary items. And also, you can cook in bulk. Prepare large quantities and freeze portions for easy meals later. The benefits are you can save money compared to eating out or ordering takeout, and often healthier. Fourth, use public transportation. How to do it? You have first to explore options. Research local public transit routes and schedules. You also have to consider carpooling. Share rides with others to reduce costs, like family or friends. Second, look for discounts. Some transit systems offer discounts for regular users or certain groups, for example, students or seniors. The benefits are you can reduce expenses related to car ownership, such as fuel, maintenance, and insurance. Next, you have to Shortsmart. How to do it? Look for deals, use coupons, promo codes, and take advantage of sales. Buy in bulk. Purchase non-perishable items in larger quantities for savings. And you also have to compare prices. Check prices across different stores or online before buying. The benefits are you can lower overall grocery and shopping costs and also reduce frequency of shopping trips. 6. You can lower utility bills. How to do it? You have to adjust thermostats. Lower the thermostat in winter and raise it in summer. Use energy-efficient appliances. Invest in appliances that use less energy. And also, you have to ensure windows and doors are properly sealed to prevent drafts. The benefits are you can decrease monthly utility expenses. 7. Use free resources. How to do it? Explore local resources. Check out community events, free workshops, or local libraries. Utilize online tools. Access free educational content, ebooks, and podcasts available online. Participate in community programs. look for programs offering free services or benefits. The benefits are you can provide valuable resources without cost and also encourages lifelong learning. 8. You have to build an emergency fund. How to do it? You have to start small. Aim to save a small manageable amount each month. To automate savings, set up automatic transfers to a savings account to make saving consistent and effortless. You can also use windfalls to allocate any unexpected money, for example, bonuses, tax refunds to your emergency fund. The benefits are you can provide a financial cushion for unexpected expenses, and you can reduce the need to rely on credit. And lastly, avoid debt. How to do it? Pay off existing debt. Focus on paying off high interest debt first. Avoid new debt. Use cash or debit cards for purchases to avoid accumulating credit card debt. And also, you have to build a budget. Ensure you live within your means to avoid borrowing. The benefits are you can reduce financial stress and interest payments. It can also help maintain a healthier financial position. By incorporating these tips into your daily life, you can manage your finances better, live more frugally, and start building savings, even if you're starting from scratch.